Good morning. Today we will start with a new chapter, indices, also known as exponents. So what is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2? Yeah, it is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Here 2 is the base and 4 is known as the power, or say index, or say exponent. In the similar way, this 4 multiplied a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a. This is equals to a to the power 4. Here this a is known as base and this 4 is known as power or exponent or index. We can write it as power or exponent or index, where a is the base. In the similar way, if we multiply a into a into a into a up to n times, this will become a to the power n. So, we will study laws of indices. The first one is a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n. See, here the base is same. In both the cases, base is same, that is a. Case of multiplication, so powers will be added, will be equals to a to the power m plus n. Now, if a to the power m divided by a to the power n, here base is same a. Case of division, so powers will be subtracted. Again see, if the base is same, case of multiplication, powers will be added. Base is same, case of division, powers will be subtracted. Now power to the power means a to the power m whole power n. Power to the power will be multiplied, will become a to the power m into n. If a upon b to the power m, we can separate it as a to the power m into upon b to the power m. Now a to the power minus m, we will reciprocal it, which is equals to 1 upon a to the power m. Can also be written as 1 upon a whole power m. With the condition a should not be equals to 0. Again, for non-zero number to the power 0 is 1. Means a to the power 0 means 1. Any number other than 0 to the power 0 is 1. Let it be minus 5, minus 1000, 2.6 to the power 0. All to the power 0 is 1 except 0 to the power 0. If we are having a minus number, base as a minus number, so minus of a to the power m will be a to the power m. Condition, m should be even. If m is even, then 8 minus of a to the power m will be equals to a to the power m. But if m is odd, then minus of a to the power m will be equals to, here it will be like this, minus of a to the power m, minus of a to the power m. It is in this form, minus a to the power m will be equals to minus of a to the power m if m is odd. Now nth root of a, this nth root of a, which is equals to a to the power 1 upon n. As we have already done, the square root of a number, we can write it as, suppose square root of a can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. Cube root of a can be written as a to the power 1 by 3. In the similar way, nth root of a can be written as a to the power 1 upon n. We will take few examples on all the laws. Here, base is same, 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. When the base is same, powers multiplication case here, so powers will be added. So it will become 2 to the power 5 plus 3, which is 2 to the power 8. On solving, 2 into 2 into 2 up to 8 times, we will get 256. 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. Case of division, base is same, powers will be subtracted. 2 to the power 5 minus 3, which is 2 to the power 2, means 4. Power to the power will be multiplied, so 2 to the power 5 whole power 3. We will get 2 to the power 5 into 3, which is 2 to the power 15. Now 2 to the power 2 by 3 whole power 5. This will give 2 to the power 5 upon 3 to the power 5, which is 2 to the power 5 means 32. 3 to the power 5 means 243. So the answer will be 32 upon 243. Now 2 to the power minus 5. It will become reciprocal with the positive sign. So 1 upon 2 to the power 5 means 1 upon 32. As I said, a number to the power 0 means 1. So 2 to the power 0 means 1. Minus 2 to the power 4. Here the power is even, this 4, which is even, so this will become 2 to the power 4 means 16. How? Minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So this minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. So that's why it is 2 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4, that is 16. Minus 2 to the power 3. Here 3 is odd, which will be equals to minus 2 whole power 3. Means minus 2 to the power 3 means minus 8. How? Minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. So we got here minus. So we can directly apply it by seeing the power. If the power is odd, base is minus, we will apply minus sign. If the base is even, if the power is even, base with a minus sign, then answer will be positive. Taking few examples. Hope you understand all the laws. Now, how can we solve the question? The best way is to factorize the given number. Find the factors of the given number. We will see here. We are given with 27 to the power 4 by 3 plus 32 to the power 0.8 plus 0.8 to the power minus 1. So what we will do, first of all, we will write 27 as 3 to the power 3. Can be written as, because 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. We will write it in exponent form. 32. If we find the factors, we will get 2 to the power 5. This 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10 plus this 0.8 This 0.8 can be written as 8 upon 10 whole power minus 1. So, as we have studied, power to the power will be multiplied. So, 3 to the power 3 multiplied by 4 by 3. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled out. We will get 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 5 multiplied by power 8 by 10. 2 to the power 5, 32 is written as 2 to the power 5. Whole power 0.8, 0.8 is written as 8 upon 10. So power to the power will be multiplied. This will become 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 8 by 10. This 5 1 is 5 2 is 8 by 2 means 4. We will get 2 to the power 4. Here it is 8 upon 10 to the power minus 1. As the power is negative, we will reciprocal it. It will become 10 upon 8. So plus 10 upon 8. Now 3 to the power 4 means 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 to the power 4, 16. 10 upon 8. On solving, we will get 1.25. We'll add it. The answer will be 98.25. So what we have to do, the basic thing is convert this 27 in the form of the exponent. First find the factors of 27. That will be 3 into 3 into 3 and write it in power form. 3 to the power 3. In the similar way, ये क्या हुआ? In the similar way, this 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. This is the basic thing. Coming to the next. Three to the power a plus 2 minus 3 to the power a plus 1 upon 4 into 3 to the power a minus 3 to the power a. This 3 to the power a plus 2 can be written as 3 to the power a multiplied by 3 square. This minus. Then 3 to the power a plus 1 can be written as 3 to the power a multiplied by 3 to the power 1 here. In the denominator it will be same. Now taking out 3 to the power a common from the numerator as well as from the denominator. When we take 3 to the power a common from the numerator, we will get 3 to the power 2 from here minus 3 to the power 1. In the denominator, when we take 3 to the power a common, we will get 4 minus 1. Cancel out 3 to the power a. We will get 3 to the power 2 means 9 minus 3 upon 4 minus 1 means 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 upon 3. On cancelling, we will get 2. So, See how we have solved it. In this way, we can solve the questions. Now we will practice few questions. Thank you.